Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel, where we buy Bitcoin and say bye to the banks. Yes, today's short TA update talking about the Bitcoin price. I have three amazing charts. One chart very important at the moment because we haven't seen this flashing, the signal flashing like for a long time. And always when the signal flashes, this will mean that is no way back. We are in the bull run and we will see a beautiful run, guys. And of course, two other really cool charts that you need to see today. Let's jump into those charts. Bam. Let's start with this 5-day chart, guys. This 5-day chart means that every candle is 5 days. And on this 5-day chart, guys, we can see the Gaussian channel. And every time when we break out of this Gaussian channel and the red turns into green, that is a beautiful moment to start buying Bitcoin. And it's the first confirmation that that bull run has been started. We just saw the local bottom over there, the Gaussian channel turning red and then turning green, sorry for that, and then we are even retesting the channel. That's a very beautiful confirmation. If we look back in history, we can see that every time when that happened, guys, when the Gaussian channel turns from red to green, we are leaving the bear market. When the Gaussian channel turns from red to green, we leave the bear market. But today something very important happened. As today, if we look to the Gaussian channel now in the weekly time frame, over here, we can see that even the weekly now is turning green. Look how beautiful. And if the weekly is turning green, I don't believe that there is a way back. I do believe this is the confirmation of a massive bull run to come. Because look into the past, the weekly turning green means the start of the bull run over there in 2020. That is 2019 even, sorry, August 2019. And over there, if we go even further back here, this was the start of the bull run all the way there in 2016 February. So this turning green on the weekly is a massive confirmation of a very bullish period to come. So you should be in Bitcoin now. Now let's go and look at another chart over here. I will load the beautiful monthly chart, because on that monthly chart we can also see something very important. We can see that orange line on the top, look, that is going to cross that blue line in the future. It will take a couple of months, but that cross is also a very important cross. That is also a cross that is telling us that then the massive bull run will start. You know, that steep run, I think it will be after 2024 April. Now the important part on this chart is this one over here, the MACD. Look, the MACD is turned green, but is widening, which means every bar is becoming bigger. The blue line is above the red line. This is a very positive indicator on the monthly chart that the bull run is on. We are not going to see these strange bear market things again that you are expecting, or many people are talking about. Like, we could retest 27k or 28k, but like, don't believe that we go down below the previous bottom of 15,600 US dollar. I really don't see that happening in this phase of the bull market, because the phase of the bull market that we are in now is just not the part where we are going to crash another 50%. Now let's jump into a few more cool charts, guys. First chart, guys, is the taker buy sell ratio. This one is on BitMEX CryptoQuant website. You can see every time when you see this vertical green spike, the first one completely to the left there, that is when the bull market started and we made a 567% run. Now, we saw this again in January 2023, that huge green spike, and that was an 88% run. Now, again, we are seeing this huge green spike, which could mean that we're going to see a massive run. And that would be the run that we are all expecting, the run to about 38 to 40K-ish something. Now, that is not a complete bull run, but that's like only indicating every time when the taker buy sell ratio is spiking like this, that a massive run is after. Just check the charts. We will see a massive run again, in my opinion. Then we have this chart, also very important. This is the Bitcoin, the 3 weekly lock MACD chart. So this is the 3 weekly chart. Every candle is 3 weeks. Also there you can see on the bottom, and you see these yellow arrows on this vertical dotted yellow lines. That is the moment when we flip from the red to the green MACD, and it's the moment that the bull market starts. Look here in 2019 again, from red to green, the yellow line moves above the blue line. The blue line moves above the yellow line, sorry for that, and that's the start of the bull market. And again, now we are seeing the same. The blue line is moving above the yellow line. We flipped already from red to green. This is predicting that we are moving into a bull market. How high? We all don't know. Will it be 100K? Will it only be 80K? Will it be 180K? It doesn't matter. We can't predict the future and we can't predict the exact top. But we do know that we need to make a new all-time high to become more bullish. So we need to break that 70K level to see how bullish we are at the moment, where the MACD is, where the RSI is, where everything is at that moment, what all the signals are telling us, and then we can start to guess what the bull market top is. Again, for me, dollar cost averaging out from 70K, 80K, 90K, 100K, 110K, all the way up to whatever level we would reach, 200K, you need to sell. Now, that were all the charts. Now, let's jump back into the screen. Bam. The conclusion of these charts, guys, is that you should be buying Bitcoin today. Don't wait for all those levels that people are talking about, like 20K or 15K or 27K. Just buy today. Dollar cost average into Bitcoin. Buy at every small dip. You keep buying Bitcoins, but because there will be a huge bull run and it will like quadruple or triple or maybe even times 5 your capital. So buying Bitcoins at this level is a beautiful moment, because if it drops a little bit, you buy a little bit more, and then at the bull run top, around the top, you start to dollar cost average out. So you start to sell at different levels, so you will be equally making profit at all those levels. It's very simple. Just understand that you need to zoom out in Bitcoin, look at the bigger picture, and then while you're doing so, zoom in a life. Exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go to the beach and have some fun over there, because it's like 35 degrees today in Portugal. The sun is shining, it's pretty hot, and I need to dip into the sea. Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. What did you think about these charts today? Wish you an amazing Sunday, and don't forget, the CME at Friday was at 29,530. We are now a little bit lower, so we could have a small $100, $200 pump to close that CME gap, which could be a nice profit on Sunday to pay for a coffee or something like that. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow again. Bam.